Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some alarming news about a zero-day exploit affecting Google accounts. Stick around to find out how cybercriminals can still access your account, even after you change your password. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on important updates like this one. Let's jump right in. In October 2023, a cybercriminal named Prisma teased a game-changing exploit, allowing unauthorized access to Google accounts. Shockingly, this technique enables hackers to regain control even after victims change their passwords. It can also be used to generate new session tokens to regain access to victims' emails, cloud storage, and more as necessary. Malware developers wasted no time implementing this exploit, and we've identified 6 major families, including Llama and Radamathes. They're called info stealers because once in your system, they hunt for sensitive data like remote desktop credentials, website cookies, and crypto wallets. The exploit revolves around stealing victims' session tokens. That is to say, malware first infects a person's PC, typically via a malicious spam or a dodgy download, etc., and then scores the machine for, among other things, web browser session cookies that can be used to log into accounts. The exploit centers around an undocumented Google OAuth endpoint called multi-login. It steals your session tokens, allowing hackers to log in even after you've changed your password. Logging out entirely is crucial to invalidate these session tokens. Malware extracts account IDs and off-login tokens from Chrome's web data. The encryption of token GAIA ID pairs and the introduction of SOX proxies by Llama are key components making this exploit a serious threat. Cloudis.ek researchers discovered a high degree of sophistication behind this exploit. The deliberate encryption of key components and the use of SOX proxies showcase a new level of stealth-oriented cyber threats. SOX proxies to bypass Google's IP-based restrictions on token regeneration. In doing so, the malware's developers now expose some details of the requests and responses, potentially undoing some of their earlier efforts to conceal the functionality's inner workings. To wrap up, remember to log out entirely from your Google accounts and stay vigilant against malicious downloads. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving landscape, and staying informed is your best defense. That's it for today's eye-opening video. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your security matters, and we've got your back. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.